Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go here to the settings, and now just find the sounds and vibration section, tap on that, and here as you can see the calls, reminders and notification sounds is turned off. So now just swipe with your finger here on the left side, right side, and you can hear that your volume is set up right now. So also you can make it by this way, for example, just by swapping with your finger here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.